I'm just buying Christmas gifts.
Buying Christmas gifts?
Yeah.
So, did he bring in the vacuum and the Polaroid today?
Yeah.
Perfect. And do you guys recognize her from the previous one?
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, we were
1,000,000%.
compared.
Perfect.
Okay, so we watched the security footage, and you did not walk in with either of the items. So, do you want to change what you said earlier? The cameras caught you walking in empty-handed.
On December 20th, 2024, Plymouth Police in Minnesota responded to a Best Buy call regarding alleged organized retail theft. One failed return, no completed transaction, no goods carried out yet. Minnesota law now permits felony charges under Section 609.522. That statute, effective August 1st, 2023, aggregates retail theft values across stores over a rolling 6-month window.
Hey, man. Plymouth Police. So we are just going to detain you for a second, all right? Just under investigation right now.
Appreciate your ongoing cooperation. And we'll explain a little bit more once we go outside so we don't have to blast your information. Is this your credit card? Yeah. Is that your ID? Is this your card? I'll pick up that first.
And then this product.
So just so you know, you're not under arrest. You're just detained right now. We're just investigating a fraudulent return. So we'll ask you some questions and then we'll try to get you out.
So they're calling in because they're saying you're trying to do a fraudulent return. Can you tell me what's going on?
I'm just buying Christmas gifts.
Buying Christmas gifts?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you here to return anything tonight?
Tonight was just the Polaroid, which I have a receipt for.
You were returning the Polaroid?
Yeah.
Okay, when did you buy that?
I would say within the last 2 weeks.
Last 2 weeks? Okay.
And I bought the tablet, which I don't know if he charged my card.
The tablet?
Yeah.
From tonight or?
Yeah, tonight.
Okay.
I have to check my credit card statement because I can't remember if he processed that.
Okay.
I don't think he did. Did he? No, because he was trying to get me to sign up for a Best Buy credit card.
The teller was?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and so that's why we didn't go proceed with the transaction because he wanted to run my credit card, my credit report, so I could apply for the Best Buy credit card.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why do you think they're saying it's fraudulent?
Did they say?
Yeah, that's why they called. Is they said you were making a fraudulent return.
I have no idea.
Did you buy it at this Best Buy last time, the Polaroid?
I might have been.
Maybe.
Did it say on the receipt?
The Polaroid?
Yeah.
Yeah, it says it.
Yeah. I mean, I have a receipt for it.
Any more questions you'd like to ask her? A couple on top right now. So did he bring in the vacuum and the Polaroid today?
Yes.
Okay. So when we review camera footage, it's going to show you entering the store with those 2 items?
Yes.
Okay. Did he go anywhere else within the store? Or did he just go straight to the customer service to make that return?
No, I was browsing. I was looking at the switch and stuff.
Okay. Did he select anything else?
No, only the tablet.
Tablet? What kind of tablet?
The Lenovo?
The Lenovo. Okay. They didn't have it on the counter, so I don't think they charged you anything like that.
Yeah, because what we're going to do with my credit card.
So yeah, when we review the camera footage, it's going to show you coming in with nothing. Or it's going to show you coming in with the vacuum and that Polaroid camera.
Yeah.
How'd you carry it in?
On the cart.
The cart? Like that blue shopping cart right there?
Yeah, the one I have.
Okay. So it'll show those 2 items in there. The items should match the serial numbers on the receipt, I'm assuming.
You would think so, yeah.
Have you opened them before?
No.
Have you done anything like this in the past?
No.
Why would they say that you have done this before?
I have no idea.
Okay. Because they called the police before. They have a case number. We haven't gotten that far yet. Why don't you grab that case number from them?
Okay. Can you give me the lowdown on this gal just all together?
I seen her today. We have this. I have all of Marysville also has a case number on her for her doing it over there. I think that's all I got on her. Stevie takes really good notes.
When is this from? Do you know?
Oh dang! It was. Let me see.
Here's her notes on her.
Oh, we got time on that day. 12:06.
We're done
10:09. This is like everything that she's done, like in the store and stuff.
Did you guys complete the refund? Do you know? Did she get money from you guys or any kind of goods?
No, she didn't.
Okay, so
Not tonight.
not tonight. Okay, yeah, we know the previous ones. I know she's
Yeah, which is why I got myself involved this one. I'm like, we already lost enough. I don't want to lose anymore.
perfect. And do you guys recognize her from the previous one?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
1
We
million
were
percent.
compared.
Perfect. So what do we have?
Code 4. What do we have? Attempted theft?
Tonight, but she was listed as a suspect as well, which they recognize her from.
So we have theft for that.
Is this a statement for today?
For today.
Yeah. Could you include in there that you recognize her from the previous theft, at least that case number, and just write it in there?
Yeah. I think
If you already did that, you may
think I
have.
did.
I was gonna say you guys are pretty much
I
on top.
recognize the subject.
Perfect.
Will you put the case number?
She doesn't need.
No?
No, well, you already gave it to us. So,
Yeah, I give it to you.
why don't we take photos of the receipt?
The initial contact qualifies as a Terry stop, requiring only reasonable suspicion under Terry versus Ohio, decided 1968. Direct employee reports, plus loss prevention identification, satisfied that threshold before the officer ever addressed the suspect. The officer explicitly announced detention rather than arrest, preserving the encounter's legal character on the record. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, decided 1984, questioning during a lawful Terry stop does not trigger Miranda requirements. Every voluntary statement the suspect made was therefore admissible without any constitutional cure.
Okay, so we watched the security footage, and you did not walk in with either of the items. So, do you want to change what you said earlier? Did you walk in the store with those two items? Okay. Did you walk in the store and pick up those items and then go to the counter? Because they have it on video, and we just watched it.
No.
No what?
No idea.
No idea?
No, I said no idea.
Okay, so what about the previous contacts? Because they have a running list of you coming into the store and kind of just pulling the same thing. All within this month.
Yeah, because I'm shopping for Christmas.
But you're coming in empty-handed and saying you want to return stuff that you took off the shelves.
But I have the receipt.
Maybe from one purchase, but the other two times, that's not the case.
What do you mean?
Tonight, the cameras caught you walking in empty-handed.
The transition from detention to arrest occurred the moment video confirmed the suspect entered the store empty-handed. That converted reasonable suspicion into probable cause under the totality of circumstances test from Illinois versus Gates. 4 evidentiary strands converged: employee reports, contemporaneous records, cross-store case numbers, and video confirmation. Under Devenpeck versus Alford, decided 2004, probable cause is judged objectively independent of the officer's charging choice. Loss prevention operated squarely within Minnesota Statutes Section 629.366. The state's shopkeeper's privilege. That provision authorizes reasonable detention and evidence preservation by retailers pending law enforcement response. Critically, tonight's failed transaction alone would not sustain the charge. The prior, chain-wide pattern supplies the missing weight. The suspect's repeated false statements now function as evidence of consciousness of guilt at any subsequent trial.
So, okay, we won't ask any more questions. You can search her.
ahead and stand up for me? And then
Can
face the vehicle?
Can I please pick up my son?
Oh, you're arrested for organized retail theft.
I need you to just stand there and face the vehicle.
Do you have some medication or something? No family friend, no friend.
Just stay facing the car and widen your stance. Don't face the car and widen your stance. Face the vehicle and widen your stance.
What do I need to do? I need to pick up my son.
I'll let you call me.
Please. Please, officer. I need to pick up my son.
Stand up.
You acting like this isn't you're just delaying it.
Please, officer.
We're trying to get you
Okay, please switch.
What is that?
That means that you can be released when you pay
Don't.
a certain amount of money. I don't know how much your bail's going to be.
Officer, please. I need to pick up my son.
And we're going to let you call him.
He doesn't have a phone.
We're trying to help you out as much as possible.
Officer.
You're going to jail.
Officer, please.
You're just delaying everything right now.
Please, officer.
You're going to jail.
Can I please? What is can I do to pick up my son? Is there anything I can do? Tonight, please?
You can bail out probably, but you gotta get processed first.
Oh my God.
So if you think acting like this is gonna make this go by quicker or slower,
I want a resolution. What do I need to do to pick up my
the
son tonight?
resolution is this is the resolution. You're taking up to the Homer County Jail, you're gonna get hooked.
Oh my God.
And then bail out. But if you keep acting like this, it's going to delay things on
How long will it take? I need to pick up my son.
Okay, you're not going to do that right now.
How long will it take?
First of all, how old are you?
I'm 42.
Okay, start acting like it. You're acting like a child.
I'm worried about my son.
And that's why we're going to try to let you make a call. We don't have to. You're not entitled to a call.
Officer.
So, is she searched?
Yeah.
Put her in the car.
Let's go.
Oh my God. I need to pick up my son. I'm so sorry.
Thought about that.
I'm so sorry.
Anything to want custody?
Can you just hang out here while we go get the statements?
Should do the same thing at Lowe's too.
Yeah, probably.
The officer earns an A- for textbook procedure, with a small deduction for a non-empathic exchange during the arrest. The suspect earns a D+, avoiding failure only because she offered no physical resistance during handcuffing. Best Buy Loss Prevention earns a solid A for systematic documentation and lawful coordination with responding officers. Lesson 1 for citizens. Invoke your Fifth Amendment right to silence immediately and request counsel before answering anything. Lesson 2 for retailers. Written contemporaneous records transform mere suspicion into prosecutable probable cause. Lesson 3. For officers, verbally distinguishing detention from arrest, on the record, protects every downstream step of the case. Let us know in the comments which interaction or legal topic you'd like us to cover next, and thank you for watching.